Here's a great deal on a 2012 GMC Terrain. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.